In this video, I want to reveal one secret I have never told anyone. This secret is what is the single key to success. Before that, let me tell you 3 stories about myself. Stay until the end of the video to know what's the key to success in anything you do in life. C'était pas mal cette intro. And it starts with a
French entrepreneur, the CEO of Lemlist.
Un entrepreneur pas comme
Guillaume,
Moubeche.
these guys have grown from nothing. You're like getting to crazy numbers.
8 million while remaining bootstrapped and profitable.
150 million.
Hey Jay.
Let's get rolling. The first business I launched was a business with my dad, a t-shirt business. After a few months, we realized that it was a total failure. On my end, it was extremely tough. I felt like my dad was super disappointed and I was really disappointed in myself as well. At that time, I was still at school and this is where I met Badis. Badis had co-founded a lead generation agency and he needed help to basically grow it, and I decided to become a co-founder as well and help him launch this lead generation agency. At that time, I didn't know anything about B2B, so business to business, nor how to sell service, nor how to do lead generation. Badis basically helped me to get started in the B2B space, learn tons of things. This is where I discovered the amazing software as a service business model, meaning you just sell subscription to people. Without Badis, I wouldn't have ever thought of lemlist, of this SaaS business model or anything else. The second person that changed my view about SaaS was Maxime. When I decided to start a SaaS company, I didn't know shit about SaaS. Well, I knew that it existed, but I didn't know how to grow it. I didn't know how to find customers. I didn't know where to start, nor what was the strategy, you know, like to really grow it. This is when I came across Max's articles where he was sharing publicly all the numbers of a launch he did with a company called AppSumo. It was super inspiring for me because he was sharing every single numbers of the launch. All this transparency, all these little stories made me want to do the exact same thing. And this is actually where I realized that being transparent, being able to document everything you do is the best way to connect at a large scale with the people around you and build an audience. And the third person that I've met are Vianney and François, my existing co-founders. Without François and Vianney, it wouldn't have been possible for us to start with Lemlist and then build Lempire and multiple SaaS projects. I've been like really inspired by both Vianney and François in the last years, in the way they handle projects, in the way they handle like building tech products and amazing ones. To kind of like sum up these stories, the first thing that happened to me was to meet with Badis and co-found a lead generation agency. From that point onwards, I was able to understand what B2B was, what service was, discover the use and also discover the SaaS business model. From that point, I knew what I wanted to build, but I didn't know how to build it. By documenting myself, I stumbled upon an article from Max which really gave me the fuel to get started and at least have a plan of what I wanted to achieve. And this is where I met Vianney and François out of nowhere. These 3 encounters are what makes me successful overall. The key to being successful, as I promised earlier in this video, is serendipity. You need to actually do things and provoke your own luck. The more you're gonna meet with people, the more you're gonna learn, the more you're gonna read things, watch videos, subscribe to the channel. Me faire rire tout seul. The more you're gonna read, learn new things, meet with new people and also provoke this luck, the more chances you'll get to become successful. And to me, that's the only secret you need to know in order to achieve anything you want in life. Have an amazing day and I'll see you next week. Take care. Prépare un petit thumbnail, ça va être très sympathique. Ça va être Guigui qui ouvre une boîte avec une tête genre wow, amazing. From the boîte, you see a lot of shining things. Genre comme ça, peut-être avec ma main dans la bouche.